Hey there friends, let's jump into some news here with Farmmi, a chart. What's going on? How do you feel about Farmmi? Are you still in it? Are you still going forward? Are you doubling down? It seems like a lot of people are still in it. It seems like a lot of people are still buying up shares as much as they can. Now the recent news with Farmmi is that we have had this North American deal take place with New York. We talked about this the other day, so this is still going. This is fantastic, but still not driving up the stock. Now, as of recent, we have had this new news come out here where Farmmi raises $6 million via equity offering. So, the shares were sold to various purchasers at 0.20 cents per share. So, Farmmi keeps having good news, but as it would be, we keep seeing this go down even more. And right now we're sitting at this 17-cent mark. Still, this is happening. And so right now, look at this candlestick chart here with Farmmi. This is a very violent chart right now. We're having big buy-ins, but we're having massive sell-offs too. So Farmmi is still being sold on pennies right now. I mean, people that are in it so low, that are buying at a low 17 and selling at a high 17 with a point decimal profit increase here. This is what you're seeing right now. It's being ripped apart daily, and volume can just not get started here. So going back to this $6 million proceeds here, what we know of this is what we know, and there's still stuff we don't know of it. Farmmi today announced that it closed a private placement transaction. The private placement raising approximately $6 million in gross proceeds from the sale of 30 million of the company's ordinary shares to various purchasers. The purchasers priced at 0.20 cents per share. So a lot of people are saying that there's a lot of funny business going on with Farmmi here. And you know, I can't deny that. I really can't. And I remember even saying that about 2-3 months ago when we were looking for this extension, that, you know, we were saying that, you know, this is a company that is based in China. It's a little shady in the sense of like, it especially then, it was really hard to see news come out. And what news did come out was kind of like this. Something good happened, but we really didn't have a lot of detail. Was it real? Was it not real? We don't know. And obviously that's, you know, that's kind of the feel that we're getting right here. We're seeing all these articles come out that, you know, we've had repeat order after repeat order. I mean, I've lost track. We've had to have at least 20 at this point of repeat orders, plus some new ones. And now we've had this New York deal take place. We had a hedge fund buy a huge amount of Farmmi, around 8 million shares, just a month ago. But still the stock is not responding, and it's very unusual. And like I said, I've made a lot of money off penny stocks, but this is the most stubborn one that I have ever been a part of. And you know, at this point, I was thinking we were going to have at least a 30 to 40 increase at this point, but we're still not seeing that with Farmmi whatsoever. So friends, that is the news with Farmmi. I've given you my spiel many times. I still think we need a huge deal, and I still think this thing is going to have to take a run here organically off the retail investor here, or some kind of big known hedge fund is going to have to come in here and say, you know what, I think Farmmi is very undervalued and I think it's worth X this amount, and we're going to buy X this amount. These are the things that we need right now. We need big advertisement right now by other companies that are willing to put their neck out there and say, we like Farmmi, we're buying it. Or Farmmi has got to make some unreal deal with some other big company, some big North American company, and that would really help the situation right now. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, and take time to invest in that future of yours. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye everyone.